Hi there. In this video, we'll learn how to design flow bots that don't just respond, they reply using conditions, branching, and API. You can create automated conversation that qualify leads, book appointments, or answer complex queries. So, let's do it together. Now let's explore Flowbot or FlowMaker. This is one of the most powerful and advanced system we offer. With this, you get advanced chatbot flow with conditional branching, API integration, and LLM support. Head over to the flow section, click on create flow, give your flow a name. Let's call this one demo. Then click on insert. Now click on FlowMaker. This is your workflow canvas. On the left side, you will see all the nodes and tools available to build your flow. The white palette is for your standard flow nodes, and the black palette is where you'll find the AI-powered modules. Let's build a flow to see how this works. Start with keyword trigger node. Make it small. Set the trigger word to help. Configure to exact match. Now add a message node. Message with button. Body hello. How can I help you? Please select an option below. Add 3 button components. You can add more than 3 buttons, but for the example, let's keep with 3 buttons. 3 buttons. Button 1, payment related. Button 2, need technical support. Button 3, let's connect them. You can also put header and footer, but we'll skip for the time being. Okay. Now let's connect this. Now these 3 buttons will create separate branches. Let's shift this. For the payment related, let's make it with PDF. Please go through these documents. Let's upload the PDF. Okay. Because the type is PDF, so only PDF format will be uploaded. Okay. With next is message. Hold tight. Our agent will call you in 5 to 10 minutes. For technical support, let's go with message again. Give me 5 minutes. Let me transfer you to the backend team. Connect here as well. This node. Yeah, now let's add the transfer agent node. Okay, it will be in the advanced API. Yeah, assign agent. Go to Now for this you must have created the agent that we will show you later or in the another video. Okay, we have created the dummy agent Shubham. Let's assign to Shubham and add the end node and connect all 3. This and this, and hit the save button. This is a basic decision tree, but you can build much more complex workflows with nested conditions and multi-level routing based on your needs. Now let me show you how to navigate AI models into your flow. Let's close this and create another flow. Flow name demo 2, insert FlowMaker, add trigger keyword. Let's make it small. Enter keyword, make it AI. Okay, now add ask question and type here hello. How can I help you? Variable name user response. Okay, now let's add LLM model. Yes, yeah. Select your LLM. As you can see, we offer many models, but we recommend sticking with GPT or Gemini since these models are more advanced and deliver reliable context aware responses. Let me connect these nodes. Okay, now let's give system prompt. Let's keep the system prompt same. If you want, you can change it. And for user prompt, write something like you are a service agent helping people navigate. Set the variable name as AI response. Okay, then add send message node. Okay, now map it to the variable AI response message to deliver the AI generated replies. Okay, now let's connect these nodes. You can also route the chat to live agents, escalate the support group, or simply add the flow. For now, we are creating a loop to keep the conversation going. This is a basic AI powered flow, but you can scale it up with session management, dynamic variable, and multi-turn context handling depending on your use case. You can even train the AI using RAG, that's retrieval augmented generation. Just upload your website or documentation. Let me enter our WAvixo URL, wavixo.io, and the AI will index that content and respond to user queries based on it. Super powerful for building context awareness automation, right? Now this is just a basic setup to get you started. We have uploaded a complete guide for advanced flow on our channel where we dive deeper into complex workflow, API integration, and advanced automation. You'll find the link in the description below, so make sure to check out if you want to take your flow to the next level. That's it. Your flow is working smarter, not harder. Ready to scale your automation? Visit WAvixo.io and claim your free trial.